Plumbing remains a trade where having the proper tool can mean the difference between an easy repair and a slow, frustrating task. Amazon has evolved into a trusted hub for modern equipment, featuring space-saving options, improved designs, and rugged upgrades that experts and DIYers alike can value. From accurate cutters to smart storage solutions, these latest tools aren't merely helpful, they're upgrades that save time, cut effort, and produce more dependable results. If you're aiming to upgrade your setup with tools that genuinely matter, this roundup features 15 top picks worth adding to your cart.
Soldering success starts with proper preparation, and this 4-in-1 copper pipe cleaner makes it effortless. Designed to clean both the outside of pipes and the inside of fittings simultaneously, it ensures oxidation and grease are completely removed for a flawless solder flow and permanent bond. Covering the most common residential sizes, 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch, it's the go-to tool for everyday plumbing work. Hardened steel brushes deliver long-lasting performance and can be replaced when needed, while the ergonomic plastic housing provides a secure grip even when hands are wet or coated in flux. Compact, affordable, and indispensable, this cleaner prevents the headaches of pinhole leaks after a job is finished. For professionals and DIYers alike, it's a simple tool that guarantees reliable results and saves time on every soldering project. Big pipe wrenches may deliver strength, but they're often useless in cramped spaces. That's where the Cobra XS steps in, a compact 4-inch tool with serious gripping power. German-engineered for precision, it clamps firmly onto nuts, fittings, and small valves, thanks to its self-locking jaw design. The push-button adjustment makes it easy to set the exact jaw width, eliminating constant readjustments mid-turn. Hardened teeth bite securely, even on rounded or stubborn hardware, ensuring reliable performance every time. Small enough to slip into a pocket or tool pouch, it's the perfect companion for plumbing tasks in cabinets, behind toilets, or under sinks. Despite its size, it delivers the control and torque you'd expect from a full-size wrench. Once you start using the Cobra XS, it quickly becomes an indispensable everyday tool.
Few plumbing problems are more frustrating than a glued PVC fitting stuck in place. The Blekoo Pipe Reamer kit solves that headache by acting as a true fitting saver. Instead of tearing apart an entire stack, these reamers drill out the old pipe from inside the fitting, leaving the hub clean and ready for reuse. With 9 different sizes included, the kit covers everything from small drain lines to large vents, making it versatile for residential and commercial work. The hex shaft fits any standard power drill, turning a nightmare repair into a quick, controlled fix. By reusing expensive fittings and avoiding demolition, this kit pays for itself after just 1 or 2 uses. Durable, efficient, and incredibly practical, it's a massive time saver that every plumber or DIYer will wish they had sooner. Threading steel pipe manually doesn't have to be a struggle. This Ratchet pipe threader kit delivers reliable performance in a budget-friendly package, making it a go-to for residential gas and waterline work. Multiple die heads cover all standard sizes, while the long handle ratchet provides the leverage needed to cut clean threads into hardened steel. The smooth, precise ratcheting action allows you to work effectively even in tight spaces with limited clearance. High-quality alloy steel dies stay sharp, producing leak-proof threads that stand the test of time. Everything packs neatly into a heavy-duty carrying case, keeping dies organized and protected between jobs. Durable, practical, and efficient, it's the ultimate low-tech upgrade for high-volume work. Commercial plumbing and fire protection demand speed, precision, and portability, and this cordless roll groover delivers all 3. As the world's first of its kind, it grooves Schedule 10 and 40 pipe with unmatched efficiency, eliminating the need for outlets or heavy extension cords. Powered by Milwaukee's M18 battery system, it brings consistent performance anywhere on the job site. The set-and-forget depth adjustment ensures every groove is uniform, which is critical for leak-free Victaulic-style couplings. Surprisingly portable for its power, it allows you to bring the tool to the pipe instead of hauling heavy material to a stationary machine. Rugged construction and smart engineering make it a true productivity booster.
For contractors tackling large-scale projects, this tool is an investment that pays for itself quickly in saved time and reduced labor. Pressing copper or stainless steel fittings in tight spaces has never been easier. The RP115 Micro is RIDGID's most compact press tool, engineered specifically for residential plumbers who need reliable performance where full-size tools won't fit. Weighing just a few pounds, it's the smallest and lightest press tool on the market, yet powerful enough to press fittings up to 1.25 inches. A 210-degree rotating head allows effortless maneuvering around joists, studs, and cramped cabinets, while the one-handed trigger operation makes overhead work simple and controlled. Built with RIDGID's gold standard durability, this micro press tool eliminates the hassle of sweating joints in confined spaces, saving time and reducing strain. Compact, efficient, and dependable, it transforms challenging installs into smooth, professional results. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Cutting PVC pipe shouldn't leave you exhausted or frustrated. This ratcheting cutter is engineered with a 3-gear adjustable mechanism that optimizes leverage across different pipe diameters, reducing hand fatigue while delivering clean, straight cuts, even on tough Schedule 40. Designed for one-handed operation, it's a lifesaver in crawl spaces and tight corners where maneuverability is limited. A built-in deburring tool on the handle lets you smooth internal edges immediately after cutting, eliminating the need to switch tools mid-project. The high-hardness stainless steel blade stays sharp through thousands of cuts, ensuring long-lasting performance. Durable, ergonomic, and efficient, this cutter transforms pipework into a quick, controlled process. For the price, its combination of comfort, precision, and reliability makes it an essential addition to any plumber's or DIYer's toolkit. Few plumbing problems are more dreaded than a threaded fitting snapping off flush inside a wall or main line. This extractor set is engineered to turn that nightmare into a quick fix. Made from high-carbon steel with a rust-resistant black phosphate finish, the tools bite into the inside of broken pipes and pull them free without damaging surrounding threads. The dual-head design lets you apply torque with either a wrench or socket, giving you the leverage needed to break loose even corroded fittings. Versatile enough to handle galvanized steel, brass, and PVC, it saves hours of demolition and repair. Instead of cutting out entire sections of wall or pipe, you can usually spin the broken piece out in seconds. Tough, efficient, and indispensable, this set is a true lifesaver for plumbers and DIYers alike.
Installing or replacing a faucet doesn't have to be a battle with hidden hardware. The RIDGID Easy Change Faucet Wrench is engineered to reach stubborn mounting nuts tucked behind sinks where standard wrenches can't fit. Its long, narrow profile slips easily into tight spaces, while specially contoured ends grip common faucet nuts and supply line fittings securely, reducing slippage and frustration. A protective plastic insert safeguards finished surfaces, and internal metal core delivers the torque needed to break free old or corroded hardware. Compact and easy to use, this wrench turns a hand-crunching chore into a controlled, manageable task. Perfect for DIYers and professionals alike, it eliminates the need for multiple niche tools and ensures every faucet job is faster, safer, and less stressful. Once tried, it becomes indispensable for sink work. PEX plumbing has become the standard, and having the right crimping tool makes all the difference. The iCrimp PEX Crimping Tool is engineered with an innovative angle head design and shortened handles, allowing it to fit easily into tight corners and between studs where traditional crimpers simply won't go. Despite its compact size, it meets all ASTM standards, ensuring every copper crimp ring connection is secure and leak-proof. Compatible with SharkBite, Apollo, and most major crimp ring brands, it delivers versatility across a wide range of installations. The included go, no-go gauge lets you verify each crimp instantly, giving peace of mind before turning the water back on. Lightweight, portable, and built to last, this tool simplifies PEX manifold work and makes plumbing faster, safer, and more efficient. Cutting plastic pipe should feel precise, not frustrating. The ROCUT is a professional-grade cutter engineered to deliver clean, square cuts every time. Its high-quality Teflon-coated blade glides effortlessly through PVC, PE, and PEX, reducing resistance and preventing the diagonal walk that ruins solvent welds.
The blade geometry is designed to protect against deformation or cracking, even in cold weather when plastic becomes brittle. A quick release button lets the blade spring back instantly, speeding up workflow during long runs of pipe installation. Built with a die-cast aluminum body, it feels sturdy and balanced in the hand, giving professionals confidence in every cut. Durable, efficient, and precise, this cutter transforms routine pipework into a smooth, reliable process. It's the kind of tool that makes every cut feel satisfyingly perfect.
Cutting copper or thin-walled pipe should be simple, but crooked edges and squashed ends often make it frustrating. The TubiX pipe cutter solves that problem with precision engineering designed for clean, straight cuts every time. Its smooth, telescopic feed keeps the cutting wheel perfectly aligned, preventing wandering and protecting the pipe from damage. A built-in deburring feature immediately cleans the inside edge after cutting, ensuring O-rings seat properly and fittings seal without leaks. The quick-change cutting wheel saves time when blades dull, keeping the workflow efficient. Compact and durable, it handles copper, brass, and thin stainless steel with ease, even in tight plumbing spaces. For professionals and DIYers alike, this tool eliminates recuts and second-guessing, delivering reliable results with minimal effort. It's a smart upgrade that makes every cut faster, cleaner, and more dependable.
PEX plumbing is efficient and versatile, but reliable crimps are critical to preventing leaks. This crimping toolkit simplifies the process with interchangeable jaws that handle all common PEX sizes, eliminating the need for multiple tools and keeping your setup organized. The ratcheting mechanism applies uniform pressure with every squeeze, ensuring fittings stay secure and leak-proof. That consistency is especially valuable when building manifolds, running supply lines, or connecting fixtures. A standout feature is the included crimp ring removal tool, which allows quick corrections without cutting long sections of tubing, a major time and material saver. Lightweight yet durable, the kit is designed for both novice installers and seasoned plumbers who want dependable results. By turning delicate, high-risk work into a repeatable, trustworthy process, it boosts confidence and efficiency on every job.
Pipe connections don't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Push-fit technology makes joining copper, CPVC, or PEX pipes as simple as a quick push with no soldering, gluing, or crimping required. Inside each fitting, a stainless steel grab ring locks the pipe securely in place, while an O-ring forms an instant watertight seal. That means faster installs, fewer tools, and less downtime. Versatility is another advantage. If alignment isn't perfect, fittings can be detached with a disconnects tool and reused, saving both money and effort. Lead-free brass construction ensures safety for drinking water systems, while durable engineering guarantees long-lasting performance. Whether you're tackling a household repair or a professional plumbing project, these fittings deliver speed, reliability, and peace of mind. For anyone who values efficiency, they're the smarter way to connect pipes.
Whether you're handling routine fixes or overseeing larger installations, these tools show that thoughtful design can reshape how you work. Every item offers distinct benefits, whether it's conserving space, increasing efficiency, or avoiding expensive errors. Choosing the right equipment leads to fewer problems and stronger results, while Amazon makes it simpler than ever to have professional quality solutions shipped directly to your door. With these 15 tools, you'll stay prepared for whatever the next task brings your way ahead.